Is Zibai Metu, Member of Parliament for Epworth North constituency. Today in Parliament we're discussing about the issue of title deeds, an issue which affects my own constituency. We've got a lot of people who are still craving to have title deeds. I personally raised in Parliament that what is the government policy with regards to improving our roads, provision of water, and also sewage, so that we can be able to get title deeds. And I was answered adequately that the government is seized with that matter, and it is my hope and belief that before I leave Parliament after my term of office, in Epworth, more and more residents would have been given title deeds. The other issue which we talked about today is to do with the health, why there is a lot of corruption in terms of recruitment of nurses, and the issue is being discussed, and in my point of view, it is necessary